So in this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Notes camera option not showing. So I'll show you different method on how to fix this problem. So the method number one, after you open the Instagram, go to your profile. After you come to your profile, now if you are on professional dashboard, switch to personal. Or if you are in personal, switch to professional. So to do this, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Then scroll all the way to down and go to this creator tool and controls. Scroll to down and tap on this where it says switch account type. So as you can see now, I'm currently on a professional, so I would now switch to personal. Tap on this switch to personal. So after you switch your account, switch again. After your account has been switched, now go back and tap on this back arrow. So from there now you can go ahead now and try to open the notes. If it's working, fine. If it is not working, now try the second method. So the second method is now all you have to do now, close the Instagram. After you close the Instagram, if you're using iPhone or Android, all you have to do now, go ahead now and open up now your Play Store. So I'm using Android, I'll just go ahead now and open up my Play Store. After you open the Play Store or App Store, just search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram app like this, so all you have to do now, go ahead and update the Instagram. After you update the Instagram, now you can go ahead now and open the Instagram. If still the problem has not been solved, all you have to do now, go to settings, the last method. After you open settings on your phone, so on the settings, now scroll to down and go to apps. After you open the apps, tap on the search at the top and search for Instagram. After you open the Instagram, scroll to down and go to storage, and so go ahead and clear the cache. After you clear the cache, from now your problem will be solved. And that's it, guys.